Hey YouTube, it's Sarah, and Olivia Bates' cousin, Samantha Evans, wanted me to perform Katy Perry's Firework. And hopefully I have it nailed down. I've been meaning to post it, but my cousin's been here for the past 3 weeks, so I've been kind of behind. But here is your song, Samantha. I hope you like. Sorry. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go ah, ah, ah. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go ah, ah, ah. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go ah, ah, ah. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Well, there's your song. I hope you like it. Thank you for being one of my fans. If you have another song that you like me to do, you can tell me about it and I will work on it and then I will post it. But I still have a lot of songs booked up that I have to post, so it might take a couple weeks before I get there. But thanks for showing me love. With lots of love. Bye.